So this is our all-purpose glove, which is an amazing power tool for using all around your house. You get it wet and you wring it out. It lifts stains out of carpet and upholstery, works on the walls instead of a Mr. Clean magic sponge. You can use it on railings, baseboards, the fronts of your kitchen cabinets, patio furniture. So the way I'm going to use it today is I got one wet. So this is what it's going to look like over time because it is never going to stay perfectly white. I got this wet and I wrung it out. So this is a typical patio table. You've got company coming over, you need to clean it up. So I've got this wet and this glove is just going to lift off all of the outdoor mess. Cleans that right up and it is gonna look like this. Then I would flip it over and I would do all my chairs. So these woven chairs pick up a lot of dust and it's easy to clean with the all-purpose glove. You wipe those down and it picks up all that. So this glove is going to get dirty and grimy and you're going to break out that dirt and grime with our Neti Pure stain removing bar. So take it to the sink, lather it up, and just throw it in your next load of laundry, giving it time to break down that stain. So again, it's never gonna stay perfectly white, but you're gonna grab this all the time. Here's another example, like outdoor railings. You know, these get really dusty. So if you're really motivated, you can use the glove or give it to your kids and let them clean up those messes. So easy to use using just water with the H2O at home all-purpose glove.